Hey everybody, Holistic Travel Guy here. Today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Akaso V50x action camera. As you remember from my previous videos, my old action camera, one of the doors was left open when I jumped in the ocean with it over in Juno Beach. So I got a new one finally, only $99 on Amazon, and I got a 10% off coupon, so I got it for $89. Got this nice cool picture of Barcelona, La Sagrada Familia, whole book on Barcelona. Was there just before the pandemic hit in November 2019. Hopefully get back there sometime this year. But for now, we're just gonna unbox this and see what we got in here. I'll do another video in the near future about how it performs. It got really good reviews on Amazon, so I'm excited about it having good image stabilization, good video quality, and hopefully good sound. That's the one issue I'm not sure about. The reviews didn't really go into the sound. Activate your 24-month free warranty with this card. This looks like straps. Straps for part of it. I've got a lot. It comes with a lot of mounts and little accessories for mounts and straps for mounts and clips for mounts. I've got all of these already in my previous camera purchases. Here it looks like a charging cord. This is I think that's a bike mount with Velcro on it. Another mount. Let's see what else we got. Another mount and another strap. I think that's the strap for your wrist for the remote control, which is way up here. There's the remote control. I have never used a remote control using a camera before, so I'm excited to learn how to use these remotes. I think most of them are good for about between 25 and 50 feet away. So we're going to test that out and see how that works. Strap for that. Another mount. And here's a clip for, I've used this clip before somewhere else. I can't remember exactly what that clip is for. And another mount. And here's a bicycle handlebar mount. You can see the little rubbery grips in the center. That goes under your bicycle handlebars. Here is a case for the mounts. If you're not using the waterproof case, which comes already mounted to the camera, that's the waterproof case, which is good to something like 33 meters, which is like around 100 feet deep, which is amazing that they can make these things waterproof to that depth and pressure. So this camera case goes on when you're just using the mount without the waterproof casing. Hope that made sense. Looks like one battery. Oh wait, what's this? Yes, two batteries. Look at that. I forgot this comes with two batteries. So there they are. And what do we got here? This looks like an additional waterproof backing, maybe? Looks like the backing of the waterproof case can be changed. Or maybe this is a replacement. This could be very well a replacement in case this gets damaged. We'll find out more later about that. I didn't know it came with that. These guys, the wires and the bungee. Well, of course, there's a lens cleaning rag in there, a lens cleaning cloth. Don't know what those pads are for, those foam pads, and I can't remember what this wire is for either, but we're going to find out. And last but not least is a nut turning wrench. It looks like that might go on here to really tighten. Yes, that's where it goes. It goes on to the end of the tightening knob. It goes there, so that could help in tightening and loosening. Never had that before in any other camera accessory kits, so that's interesting. And of course, a very brief and short quick start guide, which we're going to go over in a few minutes and learn how to do that. There's the QR code that you scan from the user's manual. And now let's see if we can get the box is now empty. And let's see if we can get the camera dislodged from the box. Oh, looks like it's on there pretty good. Not sure why they mounted it so well on there. And it is connected by glue. It is connected by glue. All right, let's skip the unmounting here and let's just open the back of the waterproof housing. Open the door of the waterproof housing. Oh, God. Take the camera out. There's a getting started sticker on the back. There's also a sticker on the back here that needs to be removed. Sticker on the front lens cover that needs to be removed. So the waterproof housing is very sturdy and straightforward. You just slide it in there like that, close the door, and then open this latch to click. It's shut. And again, that's waterproof to now about 100 feet or 33 meters. Okay, so there's the front of the camera. And you can see the lens cover sticker needs to be removed. The getting started label, and that sticker comes off just like peeling here. There's the power button on the top. Here's the ports for the charger and for, it looks like for the upload to your computer. There's an SD card slot. I'm sorry, a micro SD card slot. Here's the mode button where you can change modes of the camera. And then the start video button is actually right here on top. That's the video button. And the power button is over here on the front. Over here are the up and down arrows to go through your menu. And then your battery slot is right down here on the bottom. There's the mount for the all the accessories. Slide the battery compartment to the right and gently open and slide the battery right in there. So that's it for today's unboxing of the Akaso V50x. We're going to learn more about this camera once we start using it. Okay, see you later. Thanks for watching. See you at the La Sagrada Familia in Barcelona with the big, beautiful steeples. See you soon.